Hey, how's it going, everybody? Back here at Dash Trucks, we got another walk around video. Thank you all again for joining us here today. If you like what you're watching, make sure you drop us a like. If you want to stay up to date on our inventory, the best way to do that is to go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Without further ado, it's a 2020 International MV607 we got here today, a 26-foot box truck with a ramp. It had one previous owner, 196,000 miles, and it's been fully reconned. What we mean when we say that these trucks are fully reconned is that we go through suspension, brakes, engine and transmission components, all the basic things. We make sure that everything is working to its finest. We'll go ahead and get started with the tires here. Now the tires on this truck all the way around are in great condition. They have plenty of life left on them. Your engine block heater is going to be right here. Especially if you're operating in colder states, that's going to be extremely useful there for you. And just maintaining the engine's condition. 70-gallon diesel tank. Your underbody is in great condition. And here are the dual tires here in the back. As you can see, lots of tread left on the tires here. The body of this truck is in great condition as well. The box is in great condition. GVWR is going to be 25,999, so that means it's a non-CDL vehicle. You don't need a CDL license to drive it. This truck is equipped with air brakes, air suspension, and an air ride driver seat. I know that's going to be a game changer for some folks. Again, great tires. Underbody is also looking beautiful. All right, you do also have a tow hitch back there. I don't know if you saw that. So this truck, this International, is going to offer you a great balance between power and reliability with that turbocharged Cummins in there. That offers low downtime to all takers. Cummins are well known in the industry. We'll get into that bit here in just a little bit when we check out the engine. This truck is also going to offer great amount of range, and what I mean when I say that is you could really do inner city travel from city to city, but you can also do interstate from state to state, and you can also operate in the mountain range with that air suspension and, more importantly, the air brakes, which are a lot more powerful than the hydraulic brakes. So this truck is really a well-rounded truck for anyone getting into the freight industry, getting into the moving industry. This will be the perfect truck for you. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. So here's your air ride seat height control, and then you do also have lumbar control, which is really cool. Of course, your fire extinguisher and your cones are going to be up over there. Hopping on inside, I've got the keys in my pocket. There they are. We'll go ahead, start her up, and then we'll run through the features that this truck has. Let her do her checks. Fires right up. All right. So as you can see down here, 196,520 miles. All right, so kicking us off, you do have cruise control. I know it's going to be a huge deal for you guys. Up over here, you've got a few transmission modes, excuse me. So the first one is you got the 6th gear disabling mode, which the buttons are going to be located right over here. Different from the other ones, other MV607s, which the buttons are located over here. Personally, I prefer this better. But the 6th gear disabling mode, pretty self-explanatory, disables the 6th gear in the transmission. And then you also have trans mode, which is basically just Econ Mode. You'll see it pop up right over here. Basically what it'll do is if you're going on a straightaway where you don't need a lot of power, it'll optimize your transmission to shift at lower RPMs, which would save you a lot on efficiency and gas. So very efficient. You do have heated mirrors, as you can see, and then you can dump your suspension over here if you need the deck height to be a little bit lower, if you're loading something from a dock, whatever it is, unloading, loading, you can dump your suspension right over there. As you can see, clean dashboard. Your radio is over here. You do have Bluetooth connectivity, and that's also going to be hands-free. You can control it right over here, which is super cool, especially if you have drivers. It's a nice feature. The air ride seat with the lumbar support is also super nice. It'll make your drivers for sure happy. It's just a lot more comfortable on longer rides. Your USB ports and 12-volt outlets are going to be right over here. USB, and then your 12 volts. All right. AC is blowing cold, heat is blowing hot. And that's pretty much it. Here's my little cheat sheet that I use to get you guys all the accurate information. Your sun visors. All right. Let's go ahead and check out that engine. All right, this truck's equipped with the 6.7 liter Cummins ISB inline 6 turbocharged diesel engine, putting out about 200 to 325 horsepower and anywhere from 520 to 750 foot-pounds of torque, depending on a few components. Now, as I was saying earlier, these engines are super powerful and they're super reliable. They're very well known in the industry. Lots of shops can service them if anything goes bad, but generally you're going to have a very low downtime with these engines. They can also last anywhere from 750,000 miles even up to 1,000,000 miles. You heard that right, 1,000,000 miles with the proper care. So make sure you're getting those PMs with these engines, getting those important care aspects taken care of, because it'll definitely pay off. Now this is also going to be coupled with a 6-speed Allison transmission, also very well renowned in the industry for the same reasons: reliability, being able to put up with the power that the Cummins puts out. They are really perfect combinations for each other. Romeo and Juliet. All right, and that will wrap it up for your 2020 International MV607. Again, 26-foot box truck with the ramp. If you'd like to find out some more information about this vehicle, I'll go ahead and leave a short info snippet down in the description below. Also leave our phone number down there. Feel free to give us a call if you have any questions, financing, anything like that. Go ahead and give us a call. Our sales team even answers after hours because they are awesome. I'll also leave our website in the link below. Feel free to check that out. That's gonna have more information about this truck, plus information about the warranty that comes with every single one of our trucks, as a way of us showing our gratitude to our customers, but also ensuring that you guys have a quality truck. Take advantage of the summer sale going on right now. This truck is a part of the summer sale, so give us a call if you'd like to find out some more information about that. And thank you guys again very much for watching. Give us a like, it helps out a lot. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want to stay up to date. We'll see you guys in the next one.